Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is day 3 of our 12 red hot days of Christmas, thanks to Millisa from Melissa's Corner, because she's just zhuzhing it up, so I'm going right along with it. So I hope y'all have been enjoying the program we have for y'all so far and all the little goodies that we've been showing you so far. Please don't forget to head over to Melissa's channel and give her a like and a comment and a view and subscribe to her channel and subscribe to my channel. It really helps us grow. We're trying to do all this work so we can provide y'all something for the holidays. So if in case you get bored, you can kind of have something to binge watch or watch it with us every day to help us out. It would really help us if you would hit all those buttons, hit that black bell. If you are subscribed, you're not getting notifications, hit that black bell, and maybe you will get notifications, because you know YouTube does its own thing. So if you cover all those bases, and at least you know that you've tried and we've tried, and the rest is kind of up to the YouTube universe to do the rest. So for today, I have a nice little goodie that I also hauled from my thrifting finds online, and I hope you enjoy it. Come on back. Don't forget to come on back afterwards so that we can finally get to my advent calendar. So it finally arrived today. So I put this together really quick so that we can get our advent calendar going, and it's a fun one. I promise you, it's definitely a fun one. So don't forget to come back after the video. See you soon in just a second. We are having another Dooney unboxing or unbagging from shopgoodwill.com. This one actually was purchased a long time ago. This one was purchased in May 8th, and I just had it tucked away, and I never opened it. I was watching a live with Caleb and Zane, and he was scrolling through it, and I was, you know, scrolling as well, and I saw the bag, and I was like, oh, and I wanted to go look at it, and I got it. And oh, and it's smaller than I thought it was going to be. Cute. It's a mini satchel. I've never seen a mini satchel in a Dooney, not this small. Oh wow. It still has the Dooney tags on it. So they either didn't, you know, they kept good track of it, or they didn't use it. Oh, okay, so this is the Bitsy bag in red tartan. The regular price was $198 is what this was. And this was sold at Macy's. There we go. So it says sold at Macy's, and the name of it. And the description was, name of it was Dooney & Bourke Women's Red Plaid Detachable Strap Inner Pocket Shoulder Bag. Let's check the key keeper back in here, and then we can get a look at the bag and see if indeed it has shown any signs of wear. Okay. So here's the crossbody, which it's one of the ones that are attached over here. Here's the front of the bag. Here's the side of the bag. Here's the back of the bag. Here's the bottom of the bag. Top of the bag. This is a cute little bag. Okay, it's not, I thought maybe it was some kind of a chalk or something, but it looks like it's the woven of in here, the white of the pattern is just a little bit smeared or off or something. I'm not quite sure what. There's no wear on the corners. So I wonder, this has the, oh, it's double zip. It's a double zip. Look at that. See? There we go. Oh, I like that even better. Okay, so it's got the two little, the zippers with the tassels there. And I was saying it has a loop here. I wonder what that's for. Did they run the crossbody in through there? And then I probably could, but then it'd be one of those that tipped over if I put the little D rings in here and then ran it sideways. It's cute. I like this pattern. I had got it because I thought I could use it during Christmas time because I have a Tartan collection that y'all haven't seen, don't know about it, but it's just cute. Okay, so I wonder if they gave me dimensions. They probably did, and did I look for them? No, did not. All right, let me. Okay, so she has the key keeper, and this is black, like the black leather handles. It has, this one's a lot easier to show you the inside, and it has the right here you can see the label there. It does have a little bit of gusseting on the sides so that your things won't fall out. It has the zipper pocket back here. The zipper works fine. Then it has the front little slip pocket here. And in the slip pocket it has also, oh, it's very pretty. The Dooney label is in black with gold writing. Then in the front it has the slip pocket here. Let's see, will my phone? Yeah, no, my phone won't fit. It definitely has to just go inside the bag. It's immaculate on the inside. There's trying to see if there's any pin marks. So that's usually how you can tell. Like, even if they take good care of them, a lot of times people just, you know, put their pins. I was trying to see if there's any pin marks or stains in here. And it's got a little bitty, looks like, could be a little dirtiness. Not necessarily a stain, and I guess so. Can't tell if it's a shadow or not. I say it does have a little bit of some kind of a stain in there. Let's pack this back up and put that in there. So my theory is that she probably did get used, but they saved their tags, which is good. It was good to know. It's so cute. Have y'all seen one of these? I like that. I like the tassels there. Is the double zip, and here is that's a pretty modern logo there. So on here it says it's the Bitsy bag, a red Bitsy bag. It's F1322 RD red Bitsy bag. The regular price was $198 from Dooney, and it was sold at Macy's. Okay, so we know the name. It's Itsy Bitsy, but it should be the tartan. It just says red, but it should be the tartan, a tartan pattern, right? It's a cutie bag. It's a cutie patootie. Did you see them in Macy's? Did anybody see these in Macy's? This right here, you know, is this, you know, what is this for? Is it missing stuff? Is it that where we can put the crossbody is down here as well too, but there's no way to put them in there. So that might be help, you know, to let me know what those are. Driving me crazy. I don't think I told you the price. No, I didn't. The selling rate was $98, right? That's what I told y'all. What the ticket said, or no, $198. Wait, no, hold on. Let me look again. I tell you, my brain. Yes, $198. That's a lot for this little bitty thing. My winning bid was $17, and $295 was the tax. Shipping was $13.76. Ouch. $5 handling, total of $38.71 for a $200 bag. I like that. She's cute. She is really cute. I'm glad she's part of my home now. Another one rescued. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Welcome back, Bean Beauties. Thank you for coming back. For those of y'all who are staying to the end, I greatly appreciate it. So how did you like the itsy bitsy red tartan dome satchel? Satchel. It is a zip, a mini dome zip, I guess is what it is. I was a real surprise to me that it had two, that it was a zip and it had the two tassels, and the tassels weren't they just fabulous? I just love the tassels. So I promised y'all that we could get started on our advent calendar today, the one that's just for us and y'all. And here it is. I don't know if y'all spied it with your little eyes. It is ducks. Since ducks are part of two of my passions, is my cruising passion and my Dooney and Burke passion, I thought I would do this advent calendar. And I'll give myself my own ducks since I'm not getting any sticker ducks. For those of you who are not aware, the reason I say it's part of both of my passions is because when you go cruising, on most cruise lines, and definitely on Carnival Cruise Line, cruisers, like myself who go on there, you hide them. And you hide them with a little note saying, this is a surprise. It's a hidden duck that you found. It's a lucky duck that you found. You can re-hide it or you can keep it for yourself. And a lot of people collect them. The crew collects them. And it's just kind of a fun little thing to give you that little bit extra to kind of look out for when you're on the cruise ship. And so I do that on every cruise. And this last cruise, what I did is I used my business card and I put the little croc charms on that. That's what I handed out this cruise. And during the Christmas times, I try to do seasonal. When we do seasonal cruises, I try to do seasonal. So these I'll save to hand out. But really people hand out all kinds of crazy designs throughout the thing and everybody absolutely loves it. So it doesn't matter. And sometimes people don't even hide ducks. They'll hide little monsters or they'll hide little bears or whatever they can find on hand, and people appreciate it. And it's not just the kids who look for them, it's adults too. The adults are probably a little bit more aggressive than the kids are. So, just beware. But so that's what these ducks are for. And, the other passion of the ducks is with Dooney and Burke. Dooney and Burke has a little duck and they're all weather leather line, and they give out or used to give out or sometimes give out stickers. Like I have, this is my, where is it? This right here, I'm sure if you can see it, is my first sticker that I got from Dooney. I was so excited. I have a reel or a short maybe, or I have something that shows when I got it and how excited I was, and to get my very first sticker, and it's the only sticker I've gotten. You beggars can't be choosers, I guess, so I figure I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and we will get started. It is for 24 days. So if I was going to complete this with y'all, then we would have to do 2 a day anyway. So I guess we're on day 3. Do we want to do all of those in one day? I don't know how long this video is. I guess if you want to stick around to see the ducks, then stick around. If you don't want to, then I'll see you on the next one for day 4. How's that? Okay. So right here is day 1. I don't have to hunt too much for day 1. And day 1 is, oh, he's kind of like a little turtle-ish thingy duck. See, he has a little turtle. See, they're not all like just ducks. They're ducks that are dressed up as other things. It's got the little headband. Then day 2. Here is day 2. When I saw this, I got this on Amazon. I'm not sure how much I paid for it. It wasn't a lot. I think it was like 20 bucks. I can find out for you real quick. Go into my Amazon, go into my orders, and I'll try to link it below or link it in my community post for y'all. And it was only $20. Oh, it was only $25.99, but they are no longer available. That's why it took so long to get to me. But they do have other ones. Those are the ones that I bought. I'll try to find a similar one to link for y'all. Okay, my fingers don't work as well as everybody else's. Let me find the, there we go. Okay, here's day 2. Oh, I broke the little door. He's so cute. Here's day 2. Day 3. Oh, I guess I go up. I guess I'm supposed to go up on it. There we go. The doors are falling off. And here's a pink one with the little, oh, it's a unicorn duck. Looky, it's a unicorn duck. Day 3. So so I would need to get to day 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, so then let me try to get day 4 open. They're so cute. They have their own little, they're like they have their own little cubby that they're in. I just, oh my God, this one's so cute. This is a little sunflower duck. Yeah, let's see. Let's put, can y'all see them there? There. And that's the unicorn one. And here's one. Okay. All right, day 1, day 2. Oh, here it is. This probably won't be so hard for y'all, but y'all know how because of my RA, my fingers and my hands don't work. I woke up this morning and the weather had changed, and when the weather changes, it makes things kind of worse. And so my pinky finger was very swollen. I had to take an extra steroid this morning. And then here is, I'm not sure what this one is, a little baby duck, a baby duck. They don't squeak, these don't squeak. And we'll set him over here. Oh, there, okay, got it. I pushed that one a little bit harder, but you push it in and now I can't get it out. Winnie B, stop it. Okay. If you know, you know. IYKYK, is that right, Jacob? IYKYK. Okay. Okay. And then here is, oh my goodness, what is he? A little robot, maybe? A little robot duck. Isn't he cute? We'll put him over here. So that's day 1, day 2, day 3. We're on day 3. So then day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10, day 11, day 12. Yay, I did it right. Okay, so we should end correctly, and we'll have all of these. I hope it was worth the wait. I'm still looking for my Dior little 4-piece Advent thing. I figure I have a little bit of time to find it. I'm not sure if y'all watched my live. I was telling y'all about what I have in store, and I bought the fragrance, and I think it was a fragrance and the makeup. Dior, it was just a 4-piece. So it was, it's just for 4 days. And I was like, I don't remember where I put it. I hid it so well for myself, can't find it. Okay, thank you very much, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much for those of you who stay to the end. I greatly appreciate you coming by and joining us for our 12 red hot days of Christmas for 2023. And don't forget, go visit Millisa from Melissa's Corner. Subscribe to her, subscribe to me, leave us a like and all that fun stuff. Thank you very much. Love y'all. Bye-bye.